My name is Sara Berglund, and I am a lead systems integration engineer at Eaton Cummins Automated Transmission Technologies. I've worked for this joint venture between Eaton and Cummins since it formed 2 years ago. Prior to that, I worked for one of the parent companies since I graduated with my master's degree in 2010. I spent my first year working for Eaton in their hybrid truck group in Galesburg, Michigan. After that, I moved to Costa Mesa, California for a year to work in their aerospace group before returning to Michigan to work in the supercharger group within their automotive division. I spent 3 years developing superchargers before switching to a job in systems engineering working on transmissions. Eaton Cummins Automated Transmission Technologies is a company that designs and manufactures automated transmissions for commercial vehicles. Commercial vehicles include large trucks and tractor trailers that are used to transport products around the country. Our company is responsible for both the mechanical design of the transmission and for the software that controls how the transmission operates and integrates it with the rest of the components on the truck. I work in new product development, which means that I am currently working on a transmission that is not yet in production. The design of an automated transmission consists of different subsystems: the mechanical transmission assembly, the electronics and actuation system, and then the software that controls how the transmission operates. The systems integration team that I am a part of is primarily focused on the development of control software to meet the required functions at the truck level. My job on this team covers a broad range of functions, including developing requirements for new features of the transmission, testing and tuning calibrations to optimize system performance, and running validation tests to ensure that we are meeting the functional requirements. My typical day consists mostly of working on a computer using several different engineering tools. We use MATLAB for our controls development and simulation work, and we also use a program called Canopy for the majority of our testing and data analysis. Canopy allows us to change settings within the transmission controller while a test is running in order to adjust and tune the controls. One of the things that I love about my job is the variety of work that I do. The specifics of my workday can vary a lot depending on the phase of product development that we're in. Early in a program, before we have hardware available, I spend a lot more time processing data or running simulations. During the testing phase, there's a lot more hands-on time, where I'm running tests either in test cells or in trucks. I also love that I have the ability to see and operate the products that we're designing. After sitting at my desk analyzing data and coming up with new calibrations, I can go out to the truck and test the impact that has at the truck level. I chose to pursue a job in engineering because I loved math and science when I was in school. I also really enjoy problem solving and can get completely absorbed in a project that challenges me. I have a mechanical background with a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering and a master's in fluid mechanics. Over the course of my career, the majority of work that I've done has not been specifically related to my focus area from school. One of the best things about an education in engineering is that it provides you with a great set of tools for learning new skills. I had no background in controls before I started my job at Eaton, and I had very little programming experience, but that is now one of the main parts of my job. I would recommend a job in systems engineering for anyone who loves troubleshooting and solving complex problems. Whenever we're interviewing new candidates, the most important thing that I look for is an eagerness to learn. After almost 10 years of working as an engineer, I'm still learning new things every day.